Hello, my name is Kayla Harlan. My quiz creation assignment was formatted using my interactive menu assignment from last week. The audience for this interactive quiz are learners who are discovering new information about Ireland to help them plan on an upcoming trip. The skill is to assess the listening comprehension and processing of new information. The objective states that given information provided in the interactive menu, the trip planner will successfully identify key facts on Ireland with 80% accuracy. So here I started with my base image. The learner is prompted to click on the image of the Clydach to test their Celtic knowledge. This action button directs the learner to the start of the interactive quiz. This is the question home slide with 4 answers, 1 correct, 3 incorrect. I have already created the slides that coincide with each answer. If the learner clicks the first shamrock, they will be taken to a Try Your Luck Again slide. Here they will receive scaffolded feedback and a description as to why that was the incorrect answer. Also, this is the slide. On this slide is a back shamrock. By clicking this action button, the learner will be directed back to question 1 home slide for them to try again. The third shamrock is also incorrect and provides evidence as to why the answer is incorrect, with a shamrock directing them back to the home screen to try again. The fourth shamrock is another incorrect answer. This slide tells the learner that McNellis is Galway's current mayor and also directs the learner back to question 1 for the home screen to try one more time. If they click the second shamrock, 14 tribes, they are directed to the correct slide with the Irish rugby players celebrating. Here, there is evidence proving their answer is correct. Also, there is a next shamrock. This will send the learner on to the rest of the quiz. The rest of the quiz will continue to assess the objective and skill. I hope you enjoy my quiz of Ireland. Sláinte.